think what's interesting is to think about whether these systems will be independent, like completely independent in the sense that, well, I have no doubt that LLMs will kind of at some point solve coding in a sense like calculators solve calculating, right? So at some point humans developed a tool that, you never need a human to calculate that number. You just type it in and it's an algorithm. You can do it in that sense. And I think that's the same probably for coding. But the question is, so I think what will happen is, yeah, you will just say build that website. It will make a really good website, and then you maybe refine it. But will it do things independently? Where will you be still having humans asking the AI to do something? Like, will there be a person say build that website, or will there be AI that just builds websites or something, or whatever?
I think talking about building websites is
It's
too simple.
it's just
yeah,
like
fair.
there's the problem with
Mhm,
websites and the problem with the web, HTML and all that kind of stuff. It's very resilient to just
mhm,
slop.
yeah,
It will show you slop as good as showing slop. I would rather think of like safety critical systems, like asking AI to end generate something that manages logistics
mhm,
or manages cars, a
mhm,
fleet of cars, all that kind of stuff. So end
yeah,
to end
yeah.
generates that for you.
I think a more intermediate example is take something like Slack or Microsoft Word. I think if the organizations allow it, AI could very easily implement features end to end and do a fairly good job for like things that you want to try. You want to add a new like tab in Slack that you want to use, and I think AI will be able to do that pretty well.
Actually, that's a really great example. How far away are we from that?
Like this year,
See, I don't know. I don't know.
I guess
I
I
don't
don't know
know.
how bad production code bases are, but I think that within like on the order of low years, a lot of people are going to be pushed to be more of like a designer and product manager, where you have multiple of these agents that can try things for you, and they might take 1 to 2 days to implement a feature or attempt to fix a bug. And you have these dashboards, which I think Slack is actually a good dashboard where your agents will talk to you, and you'll then give feedback. But things like I make a website, it's like you want to make a logo that's passable. Like I think these like cohesive design things and this style is going to be very hard for models and deciding on what to add at the
Mhm.
next time.